Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to verify Venmo account. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to verify your Venmo account. First, open a Venmo app and go to the Me tab by tapping your profile picture or initials. Next, tap the settings gear in the top right corner. Then select Identify Verification. Follow the prompts on the screen, which will guide you step by step through the process. Typically, verification only takes a few minutes, but in some cases, automatic ID verification may not work, especially if your name or address has changed. If that happens, Venmo will prompt you to upload a documentation directly in the app to confirm your identity. Once submitted, you may need to wait a short time for final approval, and after that, your account will be fully verified and ready to use. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.